before you were promoted as bank manager, have you been a bank manager before?
Before I was a bank manager of PS Bank.
Yes.
Yes, sir, in a different bank.
Okay. Have you been assigned as an accountant or a teller or a cashier of any bank before
No,
you were
sir.
promoted as a manager?
No,
as a
Your Honor.
Branch manager? Never.
Never.
So what are your qualifications that made you qualify for the post that you're holding right now?
When I joined my former bank, I joined as a management trainee. And right after the training, I was already promoted as a senior assistant manager. I was not assigned in a branch before, right after the training. I was an account officer
Where?
for consumer loans
For PS Bank?
in my former bank.
Okay. Of
Sure,
course,
Your Honor.
you are now a branch manager. What are the duties of a bank manager? Can you please educate this representation, please?
For PS Bank, sir, I'm primarily responsible for the growth of our deposit and loan portfolio, the overall management of the branch, and to ensure that the branch is operating smoothly and efficiently, and that good quality service is being delivered to the clients,
All right.
among others.
What are the steps in opening a bank account?
For new clients, Your Honor, we require them to fill out our forms, and then we request them to give us their original IDs. Depending on what they present. So if it's a primary ID, we require one. Or if she has or he has secondary IDs, we require at least two. And then we validate and verify their signatures, and we ask them questions as to their personal details, like the name, the address, telephone number, contact details, employer, business, the address or source of funds,
So
and
you,
PIN number.
as a bank manager, do you supervise the opening of bank accounts of your client?
Not normally.
All right.
Sure,
For example,
but,
if a VIP enters your bank and wants to open an account in your bank, do you supervise the opening of his or her bank account? I am referring to a VIP, Madam Witness.
When you say, sir, VIP, a person who is known or anybody?
Very important
Your
person.
Honor. Very important person.
Yes, for example.
Actually, we consider all our clients very important, Your Honor.
For example.
So even if I don't know them, sometimes I personally attend to them.
For example, one of the senators here goes to your bank and opens an account. Are you going to personally supervise the opening of a bank account of that particular VIP, for example?
Most probably, Your Honor.
Do you usually do it?
I would probably do it.
All right.
So I could be,
Is there any difference on the way you treat a special client and an ordinary client?
As I've said earlier, Your Honor, we treat everyone as valued.
So, if you treat everyone as a valued client, is it not that a bank manager attends to a special client rather than a clerk?
Not necessarily, Your Honor.
Not necessarily.
Yeah.
Siyempre, pag alam mong VIP yung kliyente mo, pag palagay mo isang sikat na artista o mayaman na politiko, alam mo may pera. Pag pumunta yun, hindi nyo ba asikasuhin?
If I'm there, Your Honor, I would assist.
Excuse me? I didn't get you.
If I'm in the branch, I would assist in the opening.
You will assist?
Yes, sir.
Pag VIP, pag sikat, pag alam mong merong malaki di-deposit.
Even if, for as long as I'm not really that busy, I go to the new accounts section most of the time to assist them. And been introduced to our
So pag
clients,
busy
even
ka
if they're new.
at merong isang tanyag na personalidad na pumasok sa bangko nyo, hindi mo asikasuhin. that
I
my
may
impression?
finish what I'm doing and probably go to that person,
All right.
Your Honor.
Okay, let's go to the the documents that are being kept in your branch. Could you identify the forms being filled out in opening an account?
For new clients, Your Honor, they're required to fill up their information in the specimen signature card.
Yes.
And then they're asked to sign the agreement.
Okay, I was asking your president
Yes.
last week regarding the attachment made by the prosecution with regards to the request for subpoena, and I got hold of a copy, of a Xerox copy of the customer identification and specimen signature card. If I show this to you, do you have the original copy of this particular specimen signature card? Mr. President, permission to approach the...
Sir, may I
You're free
consult?
to approach the witness.
Sir, may I consult?
Proceed.
Handa na po kayo sa
Yes, sir.
sagot. Okay. Sagutin niyo po yung tanong ko.
The question again, sir. Sorry.
You know, Madam Witness, you keep on smiling. I don't know what that smile is for.
It's... I'm nervous.
So, I have already showed you a copy of a Xerox copy of a customer identification specimen signature card from PS Bank.
Yes, sir.
Can you produce the original copy of this particular specimen card? Did that come from your bank? Ayun. Galing ba ho sa bangko nyo ito?
I'll just compare it, sir.
Wait a minute. Counsel, ask permission of the chair to approach your client. Otherwise, I'll be compelled to ask you to leave this room.
For this signature card, Your Honor, it is the copy of the original.
Excuse me, I didn't get your answer.
The signature card is the copy of the original.
Okay. Are you willing to bring that original copy here in this court?
Are the originals in the possession of your bank?
Yes, Your Honor.
And those documents are faithful reproduction of those originals.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right?
So dala niyo yung ano? Is it my understanding na dala niyo yung original?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have the originals with you?
Your Honor, may I consult my counsel?
You may consult. Who is the other lawyer approaching the witness?
Your Honor... Your Honor, these were marked as exhibit already.
All right.
Okay, Madam Witness, do you consider those that the documents that you have as confidential documents?
Yes, Your Honor.
If so, Mr. President, can you give me at least 3 minutes?
You're given 5 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. President. If so, Madam Witness, where do you keep these particular documents?
Sir, after...
In a safe? In a vault?
Yes,
Or
sir.
in a drawer?
It's in a filing cabinet inside the vault. Sir, Your Honor.
Filing cabinet inside the vault?
Yes,
All
sir.
right. Who are those entrusted for the safekeeping of these documents?
It's under the joint custody of one officer and one customer
officer?
service associate
Excuse me, one officer
and one customer service associate.
and one service
Customer
associate.
service associate.
A customer service
Who are
associate.
they? Who are they?
Your Honor, for my particular branch,
Who are they? Name them.
name them. Right now, Your Honor, the primary custodians are the BSCO. Our BSCO right now is Almond Rakisa.
Since when?
Since I do not recall, Your Honor.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
You mentioned these two people. No?
Who is the other one?
One officer, Mr. President, and one customer service officer.
Yes. I want the chair would like to know the identities of these two persons, and I will ask another question.
Okay.
Witness, answer the question.
The other custodian is Emeline Dizon, Your Honor.
Huh?
And Emeline